So guys, today we are taking bread and beans cake in another dimension. Are you ready? So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Telex. So I'm trying this for the first time. Let's experiment this together. Are you ready? You know I love to experiment things. Like if you know me, I love experimenting things. So we're going to be grading this over percent. Let's do this over 100%. Let's see how we will love it. Okay, so guys, for this you'll be needing your beans, whether your white beans or honey beans, any beans of your choice. You're going to be needing your Scotch bonnet, also known as Rodo, your Maggi, your salt, and any other seasoning ingredients that you like. You can use crayfish. Just play upon any ingredients you love to use for your proper beans cake. Okay, so now you're going to be soaking your beans for a few minutes, might be for 15-20 minutes. Then you're going to peel it to be very neat, just like mine. You can see here that you can't see the color of the honey beans, just like your white beans. Okay, so now your Scotch bonnet, you're going to get it ready. You're going to, after adding your Scotch bonnet, you're going to go right in with your onions. You can make use of your white onions or your purple onions. Any onion is onion, right? Let's go on. Now you're gonna give this a good blend. Can you see? Just like you're seeing here, you can see that the beans is well blended and very smooth and reddish. Yeah, that is the work of the Scotch bonnet, right? So now you're gonna add all your seasoning. I added my seasoning cube, I added crayfish, I added salt. Make sure to go with your taste of salt. If you don't like taking too much salt, just add a pinch of salt because seasoning cube is there already. Now we're gonna come in with our bread. You can make use of any type of bread you like. As for me, I made use of a chocolate and white bread at the same time. Actually, that was a mistake actually. Or was intentional. I just got it from the store and maybe I didn't notice it's actually a chocolate mixed with white bread and I went for it. But if you want to do your own, I would advise that you just go with a pure white bread. There's no need to be a chocolate-ish kind of bread. Just go with the white bread basically. I hope you guys get what I mean by that. And we want to give this beans a good stir. Make sure you stir it together very well, and you can take it to another level and add just cracking an egg, just a piece of egg, crack it in there, and then you stir it together very well to be very fluffy and light. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and light your gas. Pour in your vegetable oil into your pan and you want to let that heat for a bit, not too hot. Go in with your bread, just digging that bread into your beans cake solution, and then you want to make sure to coat that bread very nicely. Like you need to be generous with coating that bread into the beans solution. So I'm using my hands right here. Don't mind me, just ignore my hands. The way I'm coating this is actually funny to me. I'm like, ew, how am I coating this thing? But geez, just coat it whatever, like whatever way you want to do it. You can use a spoon, you can use whatever, but I just felt like my hands were very free to do those things because I'm actually doing it for the very first time. This is the very first time I'm doing this, so I'm just curious, and I wanted to use my raw hands to make sure that I actually coated this thing very nice because I don't want stories that touch the heart. Okay, see why I said you should make use of a pure white bread. Just like mine, you can see that a side of the bread is slightly brownish while the other side is deep brown. That is the chocolate bread that give that second half, that second part. Okay, anyway, it's harmless. If you still love it that way, our Zumbuka street food is ready. So guys, we were trying this out. I really want to know. You guys should try this out. You guys should try, because I'm about to taste this. I've tasted this already. I'm here right now saying this, but I've tasted it already. But I'm about to taste this in this video. Let's see how I'll react to this. I'm gonna write on the screen how I feel about this Zumbuka street food. Let's try this, guys. Yummy, guys, that is yummy. I love it. Tastes really nice, guys. I'm not even caffeine. This tastes really nice, and the fact that you can actually have this as a snack, just like they call it, a street food. You can have it into your pack as a snack, into your lunchbox or whatever. Guys, this is very delicious, trust me. And I will boldly give this a 70 over 100. Alright guys, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Just in case you're here to subscribe to my channel, you want to hit that subscribe button. It's right there by your right hand side. Just look at that right hand side on your phone and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. I remain Telex. Don't touch the dial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.